saucy and all that.
Afenyo say me wo.
Yes.
And they who know Bia did corrupt and Sam George. Young boys generate some so the guy is too arrogant. That's the way they put across. And it didn't help.
And you see, and these are all the strategies.
Okuja tore up on everything. People say he was on top.
Mama Akwaba, what friend me, Adjoa searching Mesrel. Now I subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo Omanhene ya wadu boache ena okase ena ochrese. Eye Sam George. Say no. Wa man enkrofo ehun se oye arrogant. Enkrofo keka se wumbuade. Enzo oya homaso na de ade a. Eye Omanhene ya wadu boache echrese. Ena no vetin ye course of Parliament House. Prove say indeed oye arrogant ampa. Na arrogant so dem fan kwesi baby a. Sisi Ghana ha ubisa bofro penio. Unim Sam George. Oh, Sam man oye arrogant na fanasem konoa. Because Sam George etumetna ne X Facebook nsem hu efa former president His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ho. Then how dare you say obeka Sam George ne ho asem. And then I pictures be circulating. Say Sam George ekura phone. Share pictures be wo phone so and say fata say as a member of parliament ebehwe. Na pictures na circulating no. Sam George quickly na wa be counter say you fake. You fake. Mo kombinu ho asem a. Ene real, but we can ho asem dey fake. Na NPP party nso the most one fanye mo. Wo to me tag him with dirty things. Na mo to wa na chesa afa. Na me kra no menti as NPP for na so mo de niam bone tag o mo e contempt NDC for no mo so mo ni suban na. NDC for to me a propaganda to say NDC wo position. Ye hwe how asame jamfi na ni team o mo communicate. NPP for ko radio so na TV so as o mo defe. Say na mo de bet no position e. And you have a long way to go. Se mundi se mu kendi ngumni ngumni ni enimi na mu kengu ni enkoye anim. Yenti nsema Omanhene ede etudwa.
Me say me na Bible nkan say so obi you ohwefo adwuma onye nipa anya no ho asem nka. Ne ho asem nye personal issue. Enti so obi ba de oman nyina portfolio be hye nensa na okotena ho a if you have personal issues personal life ema office na wokota na incompatible yeni won kwan se ebusa wa na ye ka ho asem na Ghana fo ohun se de ete
eno atapoku twe emergency bibi so aba benkumbo ne Richard Anane
yes
busa no se wafa o yire chida na
yes
wo ba wo yire chi ena Anane ne yire tina chi o
yes out of where you have a child
eno se ane eno se ebrebe de siye owie na benkumbo ka se anyone want say we a health minister na oko amanone ako ACE conference na HIV conference no na oko shia oba ne kwotwe prama na nyinsan enti no sa na si ya na na ne say yes sa sama wo kan me yire kwa ya we onim bibia anti no enye problem Kombo went further to say Anane has shown and proven say he's honest.
And that is
in the full glare of
the public
TV and radio. So sometimes I am a bit unsaid. The Gen Z generation doesn't know these things. And in a year, say, now me might be personal life there. You see, when you come to the public space, you don't have a personal life.
You don't have it. How can you have personal life while you?
And maybe if he said, I found your marking and he say, Sam George. Now, opposite. Or putting Sam George to proof of arrogance or otherwise.
Yeah. Oh, and he did it.
But Sam George didn't catch it. He thought he was also going to show
and all
that.
Yes.
And they who know Bia did corrupt and Sam George. Young boys generate some so the guy is too arrogant. That's the way they put across. And it didn't help.
And you see, and these are all the strategies.
Okuja tore up on everything. People say he was on top of his game.
You see,
he did so well.
Okuja will answer you, will evade what he has to evade, and he will hide what he has to hide. And that is maturity. That is the point. What I have to evade, I will evade.
He will go about it, grammar.
You think you can be saucy, you can be,
cheeky and give,
all that. But you see, once you do that, it is not to the person who is
asking
the
you.
person.
It is to the public.
Yes, the public. And the image you count for yourself at that point. Go be a help. And media the ECOSO vetting committee,
the attitude of the members of parliament, do you condemn?
No, it should be condemned roundly without any equivocation.
Obisan property no asem no. E den okuje to abla.
Okuja to say or high
or rente.
Or rente ade about $15,000 a month.
Or rente assassin and asset dying.
I dan no na assassin the oil then warranty.
I said be a long list.
Oh please. Na assassin no yin na nidin waso.
Okay.
The yin na nidin waso.
Yin na nidin waso.
The yin na waso. What I say? Eti ye busa sa ensem na. Me je say nipa no apart from say adwuma na wo kwakoye no. O credibility ne so I was see ye busa. O na ma round nyina na wo hwehwe enkofo a ya wie aban nema. Wo so untimi enche ye de wo so wo. Airport sales na aban sase. And aban sase ni bi.
O kradom $20.
Yes, enti wo no wote ho. Wote ho. Wo de obi kwotena ho de a na nipa kro na koda ne kromfo. Ena mani bi wa mo mi atwa ni mu sa ne yie. Ye busa question bi efa oye krata bi say papa no yusu presidential jet o yusu or high jet no de anante. That time ye nyina nso yenim say na fa kon no problem a no mo de conference akoye ho adwuma.
900 no.
Yes. Okay. Ghana de no. O gina mu asa de na aban ne fa jet. Ye be busa no question say okuja to. Say see a wo be fa economy. Anaso obefa a friend is saying obefa economy na anaso obefa business class anaso obefa first class no was it saying was one no there sa economy na wo mu kan de nya ho na wo hwe o ono no say ya de ya ka so for economy kra o de ni sika beso so e de afa business class uti na nipa ba kuna no blame nkrofo say wasteful expenditure
sika so
we had another sika cost as my was a medicine sika also. So modesty no. What has Oko first can way? We have my Oko first can way.
Okay.
But there's over first can from another source na dia kwa also. It will be a train ye, obi anta obia. And then you pay back.
And OT in conversation here, a drew baby no. It's not true, Afenyo Makin say, at least Afenyo Makin will help him on the crusade. Against government officials, so almost tore down airport hills 42,000 Ghana cedis. And I find so I know say wakohe lands mu assassin occupy ewo futu no. Commission no e de ama afenyo 99 years. Ho na
commission one e de ama no.
Land commission e de ama afenyo 99 years
no,
on lease.
Commission.
Oh
please.
Me ba don't worry. Okay. Me say me cheche mu ba. E no Ose and chairman Rebecca say, why 99 years? Because as far as he's concerned, also government lands na more than 50 years. In Tiadentina, Afenyo Makin, the 99 years.
Or the assassin 25 years ago.
25 years ago.
25, and yet 2023, and yet 2023, or 25 years ago. What for Crata and Bra? What does he answer for Afenyo and Unyano? Mamma may hire home for any argument.
Obisa Sano, chairman by Moka said there be government lands no, and you can say lease na upper 50 years. Then a one assembly a 2 child.
And I make us say, and I make us say, lands upon a day as I say a movie. We have some inquiries no in iron share. And they can say a 300 day Ajuni Ebu. But meaning say, according to one Casa or them ho, say he acquired the property 25 years ago.
25 years ago.
That 25 years ago,
only the marriage so. I can't 25 now say now we shall find your age. Now we 25 years ago.
Now age near the to and I call baby Korean for almost 18 years I didn't make him.
Anyway,
age now can say. What be born one more day will be me and Casa mean by Madame Fo. Quasi Kebi, Busa, Quasi Kebi Kuma. Busa even at that time, biscuit ne a year no tonto kwa buza property otimi de obi betimi aton enchene e de asidan obi betimi atena dwom ahwe ne ma edu
Depends on the way of manage.
Yes.
All right.
Obi betimi atena busansa mu ne baba kokra wonhwe no. Eti no de mo me hwenko sa direction no. Eti no me gidi say questions no bebre ho a ye busa nipa na ye pese ye hu se de nipa ne tie. Ane se de ono wo si wo ye ora no. Na ora ya wo ye yi. Me hu se your friend is saying Rickety Hagen. Like I tell you say ora no ave de ora no be international ene ade. Ave de ye ko busa ora ho asem a. Musi ora ne de nka ho.